Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's try making this nigiri shape.
Yes.
So, yes. Make a rice ball around this golf ball size or a little smaller.
This amount? Yeah,
Yes,
like this?
around this size. Yes,
Oh, yeah.
that's okay.
Mm.
So now we're gonna try making this scallop nigiri.
Scallop.
Yes, and this
In
scallop.
Japanese?
Hotate.
Oh, hodate.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
So this is kind of small scallop.
Mm.
Usually we make this surface, but today I want to try making this the other side on the surface like
Okay.
this. So you can take like this.
Mm-hmm. Like this.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
And then put wasabi with your index finger.
Yeah. Index finger?
Yes,
Index finger.
yes.
Yeah. Like
Yes.
this. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then put rice on top of scallop like
Mhm.
this. Yes. Okay, and then make a dent with the left hand thumb.
Mm-hmm.
At the same time, use 3 fingers with the right hand.
Sorry, my hands
That's okay.
getting wet.
dry?
Yeah, getting dry.
Yes.
Not getting wet, getting dry. Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And hold both the ends of the rice like this, so that like as if you make a square shape,
Mm-hmm.
like this. Okay.
Mm.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. This side. Okay.
Okay.
And now squeeze a little,
Yes.
and then roll over like
Yes.
the other side. Okay.
Yes.
So the scallop is on top.
Mhm.
Sushi now.
Mm-hmm.
And then move this to here.
Okay.
And then slide down with both sides of the fish and rice with the right hand like this.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And then use 2 fingers of the right hand and squeeze
So
this side. Yes.
this. Hmm?
And to the right.
Oh,
yes,
understand.
to the right, yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
And then hold it and then turn to the clockwise.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And then slide down again.
Yes.
Yes. And then yes. Like this. Yes. Very good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Oh, very good. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. So.